Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Search. In this video, I am going to discuss how to calculate the quantity of cement, sand and coarse aggregate for the construction of a slab. Suppose we have to construct a slab of length and breadth as 25 feet each and its thickness is 0.5 feet, that is 6 inch. For plain cement concrete, works, grade of concrete that is characteristic compressive strength
each 50 Newton per mm square. Ratio of cement, sand, aggregate per M15 grade of concrete each 1:2:4. That is 1 part of cement each mixed with 2 part of sand and 4 part of coarse aggregate. In order to calculate the quantity of material used in slab, we need to calculate first total volume of slab, which is given by length into breadth into height, that is 25 feet into 25 feet into 0.5 feet, while the result is 312 feet cubic feet. Now we need to convert this wet volume to dry volume. Wet volume into 1.54. This is a constant value. 312.5 into 1.54, 481.25 cubic feet. Now we calculate the volume of cement. Here the formula is ratio of cement by total ratio into dry volume. Here ratio of cement is 1, total ratio 7, dry volume 481.25 cubic feet. Ratio of cement equal 1 by total ratio 7 into dry volume 481.25, that is 68.75 cubic feet. Number of cement bag required, volume of cement by volume of bag equals 68.75 divided by 1.25. Here 1.25 is volume of bag in cubic feet. Here the answer is 55 bags. Now we calculate sand by using the formula ratio of sand by total ratio into dry volume. While the ratio of sand is 2 and total volume is 7, dry volume is 481.25. 2 by 7 into 481.25. The answer is 137.5 cubic feet. Then the volume of aggregate is calculated by using this formula. Ratio of sand and total ratio of sand by total ratio into dry volume. Here the aggregate ratio is 4 by 7 into dry volume 481.25. Here the answer is 275 cubic feet. This was all for today. Thank you.